This is the Lapbook for the Similar Triangles unit. Notice I have sections blocked off because I do want you to group your information together in a certain way, because those are the topics that kind of go together. And remember, I'm requiring you to rate your understanding on each topic, and so you'll have a rating for each one of these groups. So these are the topics that you need to include in your Lapbook for this unit. What it means to be similar, what it means for the sides and angles. You need one example and one non-example. You need a similarity statement and what the significance of a similarity statement is. So labeling the pieces and understanding what that means for those two figures. Triangle similarity, the three ways of showing similarity for triangles, and you need an example for each. For proportional parts, those are our examples where we have parallel lines with transversals that create congruent parts, or examples where we have parallel lines that create two similar triangles. We need to set up proportions to be able to solve a problem. Look for 5 examples either from the book or from our notes, stuff that we've done. You could even go online and find some examples of proportional parts. You need some dilation examples, 3 examples on graph paper. You need one that's a triangle with a center at the origin, one triangle with a center not at the origin, so dilating somewhere else on the plane, and then one quadrilateral with the center not at the origin, so dilating 3 different ways. Additional information may be necessary if you need it to study with or find other examples or make extra notes. This is something you need to use as a study guide. So include any additional notes that you need to make. Now, the way you're going to rate each section is in this way. So for 0, I have no idea what I'm doing. Even with help, I can't do this. 1, I understand a little. With help, I can do some of it. 2, I can do most of it, but I still need help sometimes. 3, I get it, I can do it, I know what my teacher taught me. That means you can do it completely by yourself and you don't need any help. Number 4, a rating of 4 means that you know exactly what to do and you would be able to teach others how to do this. You need to have a rating for each section. So for each of these 5 sections, you're going to need to rate your understanding. When we review in class, I'm going to expect you to come up with 2 questions that are based on where you are lacking in understanding. So in those pieces where you don't quite get it, you need to develop 2 essential questions that you need to be able to study for this test and need for your understanding to get better.